Are you looking for the best tile saw for DIY in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tile saw for DIY that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the SKIL 3550-027-inch wet tile saw. SKIL is a renowned brand that you trust for high-quality power tool accessories. One of their hot-selling items is the SKIL 3550-027-inch wet tile saw. It comes with an intense diamond blade facility that can transform any material into the desired shape. Needless to say, the blade looks very sharp, and it performs well in cutting both dry and wet materials. Besides, it is powered by a mighty 5-amp motor which generates power up to 36 RPM. One of the exciting parts is that it has a hydro-lock water containment system in which users can keep their blades clean and decrease air pollution as well. Surprisingly, it weighs only 22 pounds. That means you can easily carry the tool anywhere you want. Additionally, it owns an extra sliding side option so that users can smoothly cut down tiles up to 18x18 inches. Rust-resistant lid with tremendous flexibility. The SKIL 3550-02 will offer you the best service within your budget. Up next in the fourth place is the Porter Cable Wet Tile Saw. The Porter Cable Wet Tile Saw looks really great when you need a compact but powerful tile cutting machine. In terms of design, it looks really stunning, durable, and the leader of all tile cutting tools. With the powerful 7 inches porcelain tile blade, users will always get a smooth cutting experience. Moreover, this tile saw model offers 2 types of supporting tables such as stationary tables and sliding table. Those tables really ensure the best stability to work with more accuracy. Notably, it has an onboard miter square that helps to measure the shape and then supports the machine to cut the materials into slantwise, 45-degree angle cuts. The splash guard holds water from spreading around the motor. It means your main mechanism will stay safe while doing continuous work. Importantly, the unique roll cage facility ensures comfortable carrying and defends the cutting carriage with proper security. While using the saw, you don't need to worry about dirty water leaking because it covers all the water in its exceptional drain plug coverage. The third product on our list is the QEP10630Q 24-inch manual tile cutter. If you are willing to get a manual tile cutting machine, the QEP10630Q 24-inch manual tile cutter will be a perfect option. Though it looks very simple in design, it offers varieties of excellent services. The combination of the chrome-plated double rugged rails and the linear ball bearing slides supports the tools to stay stable and ensures straight cutting all the time. Furthermore, it is designed with aluminum alloy materials that seem heavy and guaranteed to survive long working purposes. Especially, the 7/8 tungsten carbide wheel provides super scoring and a comfortable gripping experience. Besides, the rubber grippings support the user to hold the tile saw longer than expected. Being a manual cutting machine, no matter how long you use the tool in your work, it will not damage your materials as well as your skin. It is easy to clean, and you can store the tool in a small compartment in your tool bag. Second on our list is the DeWalt Wet Tile Saw with Stand. DeWalt is a popular name in the kingdom of power tools and relevant accessories. The DeWalt Wet Tile Saw with Stand is their popular DIY tile saw, presenting outstanding services within a single package. When the question comes to cutting long-sized tiles, the D24000S with a 10-inch XP4 porcelain tile blade cuts tiles very deep to get L-shape or U-shape design anytime you desire. In order to remove dust at your work, its double-powered water reservoir keeps the heavy blade clean and controls the motor heating level perfectly. As a user, you don't need to worry about the proper stability as its cutline indicator with stainless steel rollers will keep the tool stable all the time. With the help of a powerful 1.5 horsepower motor, you will learn to grind any type of tile into max 3-1 divided by 8 inches depth quickly. It means you will get a robust motor power to work on big projects. The special compact saw frame ensures a quick setup and picked up facility to save your precious time. Finally, the top product on our list is the SKIL 7-inch wet tile saw 3540-02. The SKIL 3540-02 7-inch wet tile saw is another fantastic product from SKIL Powerhouse. Please don't mix this power tool with our previously mentioned product because it is the upgraded version with much more facilities to tell. First, you will surely love its erosion-resistant design that keeps the body protected with stainless steel outfit. No matter where and how long you own or use the tool, it will shine with its glossy look like the new product. Having more space in the lid means it is more convenient to cut large tiles into pieces more efficiently. This is all you get in the 3540-02 wet tile saw. Notably, it has a flexible rip fence with a miter gauge option in which you can expect appropriate and solid cuts. Indeed, the cooling water reservoir option from the tool will reduce dust pollution and keep the workspace clean. It can cut through both heavy and soft materials like rock, coal, ceramic tile, porcelain tile, glass tile, marble tile, and granite tile too. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.